Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel if you've been around a while. Welcome if you're new. I'm EverOutward13. I make videos about making money, saving money, and couponing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I feel like I say that every time I go on like a bout of making videos. I say that. But anyway, I'm glad to be back. It's 2022. We are starting this off with a highly requested video, and it's an InboxDollars tutorial. I'm going to go over an overview of the platform on a mobile device. But before we get into it, definitely hit subscribe to my channel. I make videos, when I make them, but I am trying to grow my channel to 1,000 subscribers by June of 2022. That's my goal. But yeah, I'm really excited to bring this to you. Just a quick disclaimer before we go ahead and roll that beautiful bean footage. Per their terms of service, I am not allowed to actually share with you what deals or offers to do on the platform, but I can kind of guide you as to what I would do. I can't tell you specifically, but InboxDollars is one of my most favorite platforms to use to make money, and I'm just excited to share this with you guys, so hopefully you enjoy it. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try to have all the links to InboxDollars and a review of InboxDollars from my blog in the description. Let's go ahead and roll that beautiful bean footage. So I'm already logged into my InboxDollars account. This is what the homepage looks like on your cell phone. It looks a bit different on a laptop, which is I use that also. And on the homepage, typically it just has all the offers that they're recommending right now. Up top, if you click this InboxDollars, again, it just takes you back to the homepage. Next to that, I have $4.76. That's how much you have in your account. Next to that is you see like this envelope with 2. That is your paid emails. You want to opt into those in order to receive credit. What you do is you click on the paid email. After you click the envelope, you click on the paid email. You see whatever offer they have. Sometimes I view them, sometimes I don't, to be perfectly honest. And then I just hit confirm paid email. And it'll take you to the website or whatever the thing is that it's promoting in the email. But as you can see, I went from $4.76 to $4.78. So that's just how you do that. I'm going to finish that for today. Perfect, so that's done. Next to the envelope are these 3 bars, and you click on it. And these are other ways to earn cash. You can earn through grocery coupons. You can print coupons and then redeem them in store. If you click on it, it's earned 20 cents per coupon redeemed. Scan products, I won't get into it because it has like my address as the base, like the starting point. But what you do is you go into the grocery store and they'll give you a list of items per store. You go in, you scan it, and that's how you get extra points. It's very similar to like Shopkick, except this converts, I believe, into like cents instead of points. Arcade, I actually don't use this very much on my phone, but when I'm like in those challenges and just need to make extra cash, I will come in here and just figure out how to play one of these games and just play that. I'm a big fan of Solitaire, Word Wipe, those are fun ones. I haven't tried some of the other ones, but that's okay. Refer friends, obviously, I can't click on that because that shows my referrals also and it has their names on there. But you refer friends, you can use your link. Web search, you get paid to do web search. It just looks like that. This actually helps fill up your bar, which is right here. We're going to click on that, the scratch and win bar. If you search a certain amount of times a day, it'll help you fill up your scratch and win bar, and then these little things will light up right here. They'll win up to 20, win up to 80, win up to 200. Those will light up. Those will unlock basically, and you'll be able to scratch for different points. And then these win it codes are available typically on like Facebook and stuff like that. That's one thing you want to do. You want to go ahead and follow them on Facebook so you can get their win it codes. And they ran contests. I talked about in one of my previous videos how I earned $25 from being on their Facebook page. So not only are there win it codes, but there are contests that they have on their Facebook page. And then learn and earn. This is another easy way to fill up your search and win bar. You just answer. It's different questions each day. Here's the daily goal part. You just slide that up. And every day you have a daily goal. Mine is 30 cents. I've gotten 2 cents. And then you have like the 24 hours to complete it. So I have about 2 hours left. I'm on Eastern Standard Time. I think this is Central Time. So it gives you an activities list. So it's very similar to Swag Bucks. And if you complete all these tasks, so if you complete 5 of the 9 tasks, you'll get a bonus 5 cents. And if you complete all 9 tasks, you'll get 5 cents. That feeds into your daily goal, and your daily goal feeds into your weekly goal and your monthly goal. And those are important because that's how you get bonuses. So what happens basically is you'll get all the bonuses and then they'll add up, and then the next month. So if I got all my bonuses for January by doing that entire daily goal list and reaching my daily goal every day, or daily activities and reaching my daily goal every day, in February I would go ahead and redeem that, and that's how I would get extra cash. So down here under the daily goal, we have offers, and this is split up into different sections. So we have all offers that they're doing, which can be anything. This is the section that most people will typically use in order to earn lots at one time. So there's that. And they have free offers. This is my personal favorite section. In my mind, it's easier for me to have no money and make money than to take money and try to make money, if that makes sense. I've done that in previous videos. Like I took $5 and invested into something and made $80 on here, and then I took $0 and signed up for something and made $150. So for me, it's just easier to do it that way. And again, this will be different on your laptop than it is on your mobile device. And if you have a laptop, access to a laptop, or even a desktop, I would suggest using both, not at the same time, but there are just different faster ways to earn on or more regular ways to earn on your laptop that I found than with the mobile device. But these offers typically don't cost you anything. And then playtime rewards. This was one of my favorite sections when I did my May monthly earnings video. I hit up this section a ton. Right now they're only offering one, and it's this game right here. In my market, it might be different in your market. Play now, 14 cents in 1 minute. So, and this will change. So right now it says, oh, for every 1 minute you play whatever this game is, you'll get 14 cents. But the longer you play it, the longer you'll have to play, and then the more cents you'll get, if that makes sense. So the longer you're on it, the more you have to be on it to get the money. This is apps. So these are not necessarily free, but they will, like one time I had one that was like, hey, download this app and win 4 games in 7 days and we'll give you $1.50 or whatever it was. I can't remember. Let's just click on this one randomly. It says, hey, sign up for this and you'll get this amount of money, but you really, really, really want to read like how to qualify for earnings. That is really important because as you can see, it says cash back will appear as pending for 32 days. And it's like must make a $20 minimum deposit to earn cash back, okay? So it's really, really important for you to read the fine print so you're not stressing about it and you can decide with the most information possible if the offer is right for you. Videos, I'm not gonna click on the videos because they automatically start, but you just watch them and you can like, some of them will say, hey, did you like this video, or like click to view the next video. That's another way to earn those cents and fill up your search and win bar. It's pretty simple. Next we have surveys. Again, I am not a fan of surveys. I qualify for surveys. I just feel like it takes me a while to get into it. But when I'm doing my challenges and I'm trying to reach a certain amount per week to get to my monthly goal, I'll definitely hit up these surveys. Again, you have to decide what's right for you as far as how much time you're willing to put in for how much you're gonna earn. Receipts, this is another fun one. It has different stores you can go to and it has different products at these stores, and it's like, hey, if you go to whatever, Walmart or something, and you go to you buy the Arm & Hammer. If you buy 2 of these, you'll get $6 when you scan your receipt. So it's just different receipts for different products on your receipt from different stores. Shopping, this is another fun one. Basically, you get cash back at different stores. Jimmy John's, 4% cash back, which is actually a really good deal. 1-800-flowers.com, etc. That's basically a quick overview. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys, I'm going to be issuing a challenge for the next 2 months. and that is we are going to try to earn $1,000. Now, the only thing that I cannot earn this money from is my main job. I do have a 9-to-5 job. It can be from online, surveys, getting a second job, which I might do. But yeah, I'm really excited. Definitely jump into this if you're interested. And leave all of your questions or comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.